Yo, Thorff here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make hundreds of dollars a day with these best filters and settings. But first I want to thank you guys so much for the recent support. So I'm going to do a giveaway at 200 subscribers. So go subscribe and also go join my Telegram, where I set all my plays and information about Memecoins and of course the giveaway right here. And also I have the best wallets y'all can track. So you just click here and copy the wallets and import them to Axiom. That's very easy. And also be making a Discord soon. Where we can connect with each other, talk with each other, and trade with each other on the VC. So if you want to join my Telegram and my Discord is going to be made soon, and the link is going to be sent to my Telegram. So if you want to join my Discord, of course, join my Telegram first to get a link to the Discord. So yeah, let's go right into it. First, choosing a platform to trade on. The number one trading platform right now is Axiom. It has the fastest fills and the cheapest fees. And with the link in the description, y'all get 10% off fees. So go join Axiom now to begin trading. And also, y'all get rewards with my link. So if you want to get a free soul back, go sign up with my with Axiom with my link. As you can see here, rewards. I earned back 0.25 soul. That's around $40. So if you want to earn back soul from trading, I highly recommend using Axiom, guys. So start your trading journey. So here you have new pairs. These are like the new coins that are being made every second. Finance are about to migrate into the bigger pool, liquidity pool of Solana. Migrate are like the biggest coins. As you can see here, 1.2 million, 100k. So yeah, that's about the bigger coins. And filters, as you can see, I don't have any filters. Why? Because you're going to need to master the skill of seeing what is a rug and what not. So I highly recommend seeing with your own eyes what is a rug and what not. And every big trader and good trader is not using filters because they can see what is a rug and what not. And if you can see it as well, you're going to be a more profitable trader and make more money, of course. The only filters I have is new pairs pump, finance range pump, and migrate also pump. So these are my only my only filters to trade on, of course. But if you master the skill of seeing which coin is a rug, you're going to be making a lot of money. So I highly recommend not using filters. You're going to be asking why. Imagine if like a big celebrity like Trump tweets about something, about his dog or something, and mostly of the time the big coins are going to be highly in the top 10 holders. So the bigger coins are like 40% top holders, and if you have like settings on 15%, you can't see the coin. So that's what I mean with like spotting what is a rug and what's not. So you can set like your own filters, but I don't highly recommend doing it. But it's your own liking, of course. But I don't use filters. And let's see. We go to my fee settings. Here you have my buy settings. These are like very cheap fees. If you want to copy them and have the fastest fills, of course. Here are my sales settings. These are the same as my buy settings. I don't have my MEF protection on. Why? Because if you have like a low balance, I don't highly recommend using MEF protection because it costs some money, and y'all guys want to save some money with fees. So you'll get extra 10% off. So you'll get like to spare many money from trading on this platform. So yeah, these are like very cheap fees if you want to copy my settings. 20% slippage, I think it's one of the best slippages to use because it's not too high and it's not too little. And for the guys that don't know what MEF protection is like imagine if like aping in a coin, and somebody like a bot, it's usually a bot, is aping before you, but with a higher amount of soul. Like he buys in with 5 or 10 soul, so there will be like a wick upwards, and y'all get like entry on the wick, and afterwards it dips down to 0. So that's what getting meffed is. So yeah, that's about it. About settings. And one thing about Axiom that I like very much is the token info. These are like info about the coins. As you can see here, these are like info that you can't see on BullX and Photon. Like here, bundlers, snipers, insiders, liquidity pool burned, dex paid. So these are like info that gonna get you like edge in the game. Of course, these are going to help you, but you're going to see it with your own eyes. Because sometimes devs have like good tools to use to manipulate this info, but you're going to see it with a chart like this. These are like bundled as fuck. See this chart. If you ape here, you're going to get like rugged immediately. So yeah, if you see like this chart, leave immediately, because you're going to lose all your money in it. And Axiom has one of the best tools. As you can see the dev migrations, how many coins the dev migrated. So here dev migrated 7. So yeah, that's going to be a good dev. And also they have a Twitter wallet tracker. These are one of the best traders on the game. You can find all these wallets in my Telegram, as you can see here. So yeah, here you can import them and just track them. I don't recommend you guys copy trading them, because they have copy traders, and you're going to lose money if you copy trade them. What I do and what I recommend doing is like seeing like big traders, like 5 big traders aping a coin, and then also going to look at the coin. And if you're going to look at the coin and don't copy trade immediately, see what is it about, the ticker is good, the narrative is good, and then see if it fits your narrative. And then if you want to ape in, do what you are going to do. So yeah, that's about it. Twitter tracker, you're going to get it very fast if you trade like an hour. So these are like very instant. I do it on the site, like here, right? If it wants to work, right here, and then just scan with the coins, of course. I also have snipe settings, as you can see here. You can copy them. These are like very good snipe settings. You can get like a good entry. And also Axiom is going to come out soon with a turbo pre-fire. You're going to get even faster fills. So I recommend using Axiom now to get started with your trading journey, and also get 10% off your fees. So I highly recommend it, as you can see. And also join my Telegram, of course. I sent all my plays in there, and just connect with me, of course. And also my Twitter, right here. As you can see here, X. I sent here like my calls, of course. I called this coin as 69k and went to 2.2 million. I sent it on TG, so that's about 30x. So I highly recommend going on X and follow me there, and on TG. So that's about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I would appreciate it if you guys followed my Telegram and subscribed to my YouTube and liked and comment below this video. And guys, go sign up to Axiom. It's the best platform to trade on right now. So guys, I'll see you. Bye.